One thing that is super important to do to your home when you're approaching spring is to go through your house and remove all of the excess weight and get that house ready for racing season. Look at all this weight that I was able to remove from my house. All that extra weight. This is going to be the fastest house on the block. I'm Johnny Garage Johnson, and this is Hardcore Garage.
Check it out.
Hear the bass before you see me hitting hydros through your city, hitting switches, dragging bitches with a 4x3 blame the mini trucks. They blame the mini trucks.
Ran into a little issue here, trying to paint in this shelf. It just doesn't work. So my solution, insert saw sounds. Hi-ya! Now, little chip brush. I should be able to paint that. And the top as well.
Ranger slammed her, lifted up. Hitting on the bow ties, but the Dons and Yoda said what's up. Cue them subs. Hard body with Dayton's looking sick as fuck. Nobody seen the Dodgers, they're too busy licking diesel nuts. S10s pull up. Try that cat, but you know they can't fuck with us. Pick a generation, build a fucking showroom flow with us. Just ask Johnny Johnson if you're needing something cleared up. Trying to stop the wholesale hacking up a fucking mini trucks, the mini trucks. Hear the bass before you see me hitting hydros through your city, hitting switches, dragging bitches with a 4x3 pity. Blame the mini trucks. Blame the mini trucks. Hear the bass before you see me hitting hydros through your city, hitting switches, dragging bitches with a 4x3 pity. Blame the mini trucks. You know they blame it on the mini trucks. Yeah, from square bodies to hard bodies, we're just all one big happy family, y'all. Build each other up, don't bust each other down. Shout out to Johnny Hardcore Garage Johnson. Appreciate all the content. Keep it coming. Mini trucks. They blame it on the mini trucks. Mac Miller.
Kind of like it. It's got character.
get it. Yes, I keep hitting my pinky. Try this again.
I gotta be able to get it down far enough. I don't know if I can even clear it. Honestly. Oh, we got it. Look at that. Where are we going with this big old thing now? Woo. Busting light that I don't need. That'd be cool. We've got the foreman on the job today. What you think there, Apollo Creed? Okay, so just walk through real quick. Not trying to show you stuff you've already seen before, but we've got all the tiles ripped up. Come on, back away here. All the tiles are ripped up there. Everything is ripped up. We got drywall back in the corner. I'm missing one piece there because we need to change that. I need to come straight out the wall, not all angled crazy. There's the piece of drywall cut for it. And we are moving right along. The countertop that we are going to put here for the sink is already in. It's downstairs, needs to be stained. So let's get on it. One of the other things I had to do in here was move the lights. We had a light here and a light here, and I moved it to up there, and I had an outlet right here that we got rid of, and luckily I was able to drop the wires down in the wall and bring them back up and run right back over to this outlet here, which was the second outlet in the line. That was the first, so I didn't have to add any more wire, do anything extra. Wires were long enough, actually cut it down just slightly. And we're not changing the water lines where they came in, since that was a corner. We just need to change that little guy there and we should be good to go. One layer of fast mud on there, and yeah, just slightly more progress. Still waiting on the plumber. He should be here tomorrow, which that'd be Friday, so probably won't be on this video, which kind of blows. But we are close to being ready to put that countertop in. I lied. We got to get all the shiplap on the wall before we can put the sink base in. So that's where we're at, guys. It's coming. Hopefully we'll be able to get back on some truck, car, vehicle projects real soon. Big thanks to the 5 of you guys that are watching this project. Appreciate it. I promise we're going to get back to trucks. I just got to get through this. You got to keep the woman of your house happy. Do it. Y'all take it easy. Keep on trucking.